Ever wondered which ads generate the most high-converting leads? With Ads Attribution and Lifecycle reports, you can now track which ads are converting the most leads. In the Lifecycle reports, click Ad Filter and select one or more ads to compare conversions. Hover over the first lifecycle stage to see which ads generate the most leads. Then, check the Won stage to see how many of those leads actually converted. Now, let's examine where leads are dropping off. You'll notice a sharp decline at this stage in the chart. To understand why these leads didn't convert, review the chart below for insights into what caused the leads to drop off. You can also adjust the filters to narrow down which source, ad campaign, ad group, or specific ads are causing leads to drop off. To ensure your ads attribution works correctly, set up both won and lost lifecycle stages first. Check out our Lifecycle Reports video for a quick reminder on how to set up these stages. If you need more help with the Reports module, reach out to our support or visit our help center.